We're here talking with Evan Hicks from Premier Mounts. I'm Brad DePass from Brilliant Marketing and Consulting, and we're talking about today this great project that we got to experience together, which is the Video Wow Wall at the new Meta Center here in Stevens Point, the Mid-State Technical College campus for advanced manufacturing, engineering, technology apprenticeship. And we had a chance to work on this project together and innovate a new LED lighting enhancement to your video wall mount product.
Can you tell me how this project came to be? How did it originate?
They wanted the donors' stories to be told on the wall. And I thought, what better way to tell that story and enhance the donors but to put their brand colors around the wall when their story plays. So we thought, let's wrap this thing with RGBA, which is red, green, blue, amber lights, so we could match their brand colors. And the fixtures typically look ugly. You can see every LED, you can see the cheapness of them, and we want to show these fixtures. We want these things to be seen. And we wanted to bring them all the way out to the edge. So instead of it being just a glow, which is difficult to see here in the daylight, we wanted those beautiful colors to be seen right up close. So we had the right fixture. I showed them a sample. I actually took a demo of this idea with a display into Wisconsin Rapids campus and said, here's what I'm picturing for this video wall. And they're like, we love it. They said, you got to work with Gamber Johnson. They're providing all the mounts. So I'm like, this is going to be fun. Awesome. We're going to get a chance to work with the engineering team and create something that really benefits everybody.
At Premier, we love getting requests like that, where when customers come in and starting from scratch, and we're able to work with them from the ground up and help them build out wow walls like this, or even just mounting TVs and displays in places that may not be necessarily conventional to mount to. So we were really excited to do this and create the features necessary to put ambient lighting behind it.
It was exciting to get Angel on the call. In a couple of weeks, he comes back and says, we're going to share with you where we're at so far, and he's spinning the video wall cladding around in 3D. And we talked through where the wires were going to pass, where the serviceability was at the corners, where the wires were going to tuck in, making sure there was enough clearance. And then we got a chance to experience your fantastic mounts on this video wall project and experience the precision of how they went together and how they held all this stuff in place. It was a beautiful experience just putting the mounts up and putting the cladding up and watching it come together.
Premier Mounts, we've been in business for over 40 years, and we've been doing DV LED since DV LED first became a thing. So we're able to take base designs and tweak it to what we need to meet the designs of individual cabinets of different manufacturers. And so our team was able to take that in and start building immediately on what you guys needed. And we were all excited to do it because it was going in this new facility right around the corner from our corporate headquarters. It was a great opportunity for us, and we were excited to jump on it. Right,
and this becomes your showroom, essentially, to really show the entire line of Premier Mounts, touching literally everything.
Yep, and right? Yep, it's great to see the Convergent LED mount. It's great to see displays hanging up around the corners, projector mounts being used for microphones. It's great to see where Premier plays into the education experience.
We would not have been able to do this if it wasn't for you guys stepping up and saying, yeah, we'll make this custom product for you.
It was great to be a part of this project and be able to work with you and the team here at Meta to bring this together.